Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Havendale. Havendale is a very nice neighborhood in the city of Kingston, or more specifically in the parish of St. Andrew. We just came off Mannings Hill Road and turned by Havendale Plaza and entered Havendale from that end. Now this is a very large neighborhood and it borders Meadowbrook, and not a very large neighborhood. So we are driving through Havendale towards Red Hills Road, and I don't think there is any specific boundary that's marked. So we're going to go from Havendale into Meadowbrook and then Red Hills Road. So we are on Border Avenue now, and we're driving through Havendale. Straight ahead, that's Forest Hills or Red Hills, and on Red Hills you have Queens Hill, Forest Hills, but that is the Red Hills area straight ahead. Okay, so this is the Havendale Community Center on the left. Alright, this is Meadowbrook Avenue now. So driven into Meadowbrook. As I said, there isn't really a marker or a boundary. Between the two neighborhoods because the homes look so identical. You don't know when you leave one and go into the other. Alright, so straight ahead now is Red Hills Road, and that building you're looking at straight ahead is Price Smart. Alright, so on the left is I'm not sure what the name of that supermarket is, but this is like the busy part, the transportation hub part of this area. It's like a Red Hills Road area, but it's not, this isn't Red Hills Road. I think that's not Family Pride. Does anybody remember the name of that supermarket that we just passed on the left? Very popular supermarket, very popular. I can't remember the name now though. Shoppers, it's not Shoppers Delight. I don't remember. But anyway, somebody can leave a comment in the section below and tell us what that supermarket is. Thanks for taking a tour with us today, guys. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.